Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to purchase YouTube Premium with an Apple gift card. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to tap on App Store, and here you just have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and here you just have to redeem an Apple gift card. So just click on redeem gift card code, and here you should redeem your Apple gift card. So once you have done that, it's actually pretty simple. I'm not going to show you guys how to redeem an Apple gift card. So anyways guys, once you have redeemed an Apple gift card to your to your Apple account, just go to YouTube and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down, you should see get YouTube Premium or something similar. I already have YouTube Premium, so I don't have this option, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So I'm just gonna click on your premium benefits. I'm gonna scroll down and click on manage your membership. It should be different for you. It should say something like get YouTube Premium. So anyways guys, you just have to click on the plan you want to buy. So I'm just gonna click on get family plan like this, and here just click on get plan, and here you will be able to purchase YouTube Premium subscription with an Apple gift card. So this is how simple it is guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.